Hello, my viewers and my dear learners. I welcome you to this session. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you are connected with. So, today's topic microbes. You are very familiar about that, my dear learners. Microbes are teeny living things that are found all around us and are too small to be seen by the naked eye. They live in water, soil, and in the air. The human body is home to millions of these microbes too, also called microorganisms. So let's start to know some of the things we shall learn in this session. Now you see here the next one, microbes. Here are some of the things we shall learn. Microbes are invisible to the naked eye. You need a powerful microscope to see them. Are everywhere around us, inside us, on us, in our body, in our food, in our homes, in the air we breathe and the water we wash in. Are mostly useful, but some are harmful. Have been around for 3.8 billion years, are vital for life on the earth. In the next slide you see, what do microbes look like? Magnified thousands of times and colored using dye you see here. These are the microbes here. This one, this one, this one. Microbes look like this, and this, and this. You see here on the screen, microbes exist in huge number. In one single teaspoon of garden soil, there are over 1 lakh microbes. In 1 liter of sea water, there are 1 billion microbes. On your hands, there are more microbes than there are people in the world. There are so many microbes that scientists have only named 0.5% of them. Microbes outnumber all other species and make up most of the living matter on the planet. You see here microbes three types. First, bacteria, second, virus, and third, fungi. You see this picture, strep bacteria. This one, rotavirus, and fungi, that one, mold. Bacteria you see. Bacteria have three main shapes. Spira, lovely little balls, rods. The spira, Borrelia you can say, little balls, cocky, and rods shape bacilli. The second can move about on their own. This one can move about on their own. Third, join up together to form chain. The bacteria join up together to form channels called biofilm. As on teeth you can observe it. Next one, what can bacteria do? Bacteria in the cafeteria. Let's find out using this one web page. We have learned that bacteria do many good things such as decompose waste and give texture and flavor to food. However, they can also cause illness. Bacteria also cause illness. They give off oxygen when they eat. The bacteria give off oxygen when they eat. Half of all oxygen in the world comes from bacteria. The next, that is virus, come in thousands of different shapes inside. Virus come in thousands of different shapes and sizes. You see here, this is this one, this one, this one. They hang about waiting to meet a host which they then invade, hijacking the host cell. Beware the air you breathe and door handles. 2020 first virus that is known as coronavirus due to so many people were died. So be aware about virus. Always take precaution. Very simple. Life is very precious. So that's COVID is very harmful. Nowadays it is also going on. Next would be the fungi, not just mushroom. Athletes put penicillin and yeast. Yeast is used in bread making and brewing. Now, algae are also microbes. Algae photosynthesis, taking their energy from the sun and producing oxygen in the process. Algae are thought to produce over 50% of the oxygen in the world. Algae, yeah, algae, whatever you pronounce, it's produce over 50% of the oxygen in the world. This session, I hope you are enjoying. Next, microbes live among us, where in our food, cleaning up our waste, killing pests, making medicine, and you can see in the making of such things as leather, soy sauce, cheese, and paper, and in our bodies. Microbes in our mouth also, so there is no required to explain you. And next, and finally, without microbes, life on this planet would be entirely different. They generate oxygen, are part of the carbon and nitrogen cycles, and can survive the harshest condition. Without microbes, our bodies would not process the food we eat. They drive the chemistry of life, breaking things down into parts their parts so that life can begin again. Microbes are small but mighty. I hope that, my dear learners, this session will help you and you are enjoying this session. Thank you. Have a nice day to all.